Hazrat Ali was asked, Mal Ahmak, who is stupid? He replied, that person is stupid. Bira'ayati wa nafsihi allazi yaral fadla kulluhu, who considers his opinion and self as everything. Al-ajabu rasul hamakati, selfishness is the source of stupidity and is the argument of less rational. Wama khairu khairin la yunalu illa bisharrin. There is no improvement in that goodness which is attained through evil. Wa yusrin yunalu illa bi usrin. And there is no betterment in that ease and comfort which had to bear the hardships of humiliation. There are three symbols of fool. Number 1, disobedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number 2, trouble the neighbors. And number 3, don't fulfill the promise. World is like fading shade. Who depends upon it is foolish. It is the habit of the ignorant to give answer before listening properly, does quarrel before understanding the issue, and decides in spite of not keeping knowledge. A true friend of every person is his intellect, and enemy is his ignorance. The person who sees a believer to act upon a bad deed and doesn't stop him even keeping the strength to stop him, it is as if he betrays him. Man kasura istibaqahu bid dunya kana ashadda lahasratihi in the firaqiha. The person who traps the web of the world will find it more difficult to separate it. Looking forward to praise from people makes the eyes blind and ears as deaf, because in this way a person loses his perception of understanding the reality.